Good morning and welcome to Moneyline Peeps. I want to say congratulations to everyone that won yesterday, and all our VIP subscribers have been winning back to back for the past 1 month now. And then I want to urge you to join our VIP if you are interested in making money in sport betting. All right, our WhatsApp link is in the comment section, by the way. And this is today's game. I promise to share with you a premium VIP for a few days for you to try it out. And we gave out yesterday and it won, and also today we will give you another VIP game. So go ahead and play this game, and then remember to bet responsibly. Okay, this is the first game we have here in Australia, a game between Preston Lion taking on Bentley Greens, and my prediction is both team to score. And then the next one we have is a game still in Australia where Langwarrin SC is taking on Werribee City, and my prediction is home team over 1.5 goals. The next one we have here is a game in the Sweden Division 2 where Froso IF is taking on Beck Nasset AIK, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals full time. The next one we have is in China Cup where Fushan Nanshe is taking on Shanghai Shenhua. My prediction is over 2.5 goals at full time, and that gives us a total of 4.45 odds. So this is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. If you are not using Sportybet, kindly go ahead and select this game in your own local bookie. Okay, that's all. Then the next one we have is a premium 2 odds for today. So this is a 2 odds for today. I'm going to change this to over 2.5 goals at full time. Then I'm changing this to over 2.5 goals. Then that gives us a total of 2.2 odds rather, and these are premium 2 odds for today. And these all are VIP games we have for today. And also don't forget that if you want to join our VIP, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. I will not come to your inbox and chat you up to join us or pay money. I will never chat you up. I only respond to people that send me a message on WhatsApp. So if you see anyone chatting you on WhatsApp or on Facebook coming to your inbox or reply your comment to chat them up, kindly block them. They are scammers. Some of them use this Facebook page to open another similar page to chat people up to scam people. So beware of them, and then also report those accounts. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys next time or after the game.